Welcome to the quick tutorial of PVAPins.com. PVAPins is a platform where you can buy or rent any country's phone number for verify any app. First go to PVAPins.com and click the sign up button. Now click the register new account button. Fill the box with proper information and tap the register button. After sign up successfully you will see the interface like this. For purchase or rent any number you have to recharge your account. The process is very easy. Just hover on top up option and select recharge your account. All available payment methods are shown here based on country. Select any of them and made a recharge successfully. After a successful payment the amount will add your account and will be shown here. Now you are ready to purchase number here. Let's start how to create an account and verify it with a virtual phone number via PVAPins. Look at the phone screen first. In this field you have to enter a phone number. Now return to PVAPins. Search here any country. Select the country, search here your app name which you want to verify. Select any number and wait a little bit. You will get a number. Take this number and enter it in the verification field and continue. A verification code will be shown here automatically. If not, you can click the refresh button for code. Take this code and finish the verification steps. Thank you for using PVAPins. Stay tuned and subscribe for more updates.